Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making one pan roasted boneless chicken with garlic and lime. You don't need to marinate chicken. Just add everything in pan and make a yummy boneless chicken roast. The things we need to make it: boneless chicken 1 pound, red chili powder 1/8 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 3 tablespoons, juice of half lime, garlic grated 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1/8 teaspoon, and water 1.5 cups. So let's make it. In a pan, add water, then chicken, and garlic. Mix them. Now add black pepper powder and turn on the flame. Add salt, olive oil, red chili powder, lime juice. Mix them and let them boil on high flame. After 3 minutes, when it starts boiling, mix them again to coat everything on chicken pieces. Now cook it on medium-low flame for more 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will check if chicken become tender. Yes, it is soft now. Keep the flame high to cook it for more 4 minutes with closed lid. After 4 minutes, keep the lid off and cook it for more 4 minutes on high flame. You can serve this roast in birthday parties, high teas, or enjoy with rice, pasta, or even can make a chicken pizza of it. At this stage, chicken is roasting in just olive oil. Cover it for 1 minute with open lid and cook on medium-high flame to get a perfect boneless chicken roast. Alhamdulillah, it is ready. Now enjoy delicious pan roasted boneless chicken with your family and friends in many ways. Inshallah.